Good morning, students. Welcome to our grammar session. Today, we are going to learn about conjunctions and interjection. What is a conjunction? A conjunction is a word that joins words or sentences. Here, join means they connect two or more words or two or more sentences. A conjunction connects words or group of words or sentences. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, so are 7 very important conjunctions that must be remembered. It's a good idea to use the mnemonic fanboys to memorize coordinating conjunction so you will never forget them. Here is the list of few commonly used conjunctions. Either or, neither nor, not only but also, although, even though, as soon as, because, since, so that, unless, whether, while, if, etc. Now let's see how to use them. For is used like because. It presents reason. We use for or because to explain the cause or reason of something. For example, I go to the library for I love to read. I told her to leave for I was very tired. I had to grab my umbrella for it was raining outside. We use and to combine similar ideas or to add information. For example, Crow has an apple and an orange. Ajay and Virat are good batsmen. Nor is used to say not. It presents a negative idea with another. For example, I can't whistle nor can I sing. We use but to show a difference or an opposite idea. For example, Rohan plays well but is an impatient player. The man is poor but honest. Third is big but Kitty is small. We use or to show a choice between two or more options. For example, what would you prefer, an ice cream or a chocolate? Do you want tea or coffee? Yet presents an outcome or contrast. For example, I was upset with my brother, yet I helped him with his project. I am allergic to cats, yet I have 3 of them. So presents a consequence or result. For example, I was hungry, so I ate the food. I am a vegetarian, so I don't eat any meat. We use if when there is a condition. For example, if anyone calls, tell them I am not at home. If you invite me, I will attend your birthday party. We use because to explain the cause or reason of something. For example, I don't like him because he is mean. I need an umbrella because it's raining. We use therefore to show cause and effect between two statements. For example, he was busy, therefore he could not come. John studied hard for the science exam, therefore he got an A+. So children, as you can see, A conjunction is a word used to connect words or sentences. Now let us understand what is interjection. Interjection is a word which expresses strong feeling or emotions. It is followed by an exclamation mark. Interjections have no grammatical value, but we use them quite often. For example, "Hi, how are you?" "Ouch, that hurts." "Hooray, we won the match." "Hush, don't make noise." "Wow, you look pretty in that dress." So children, this was all about conjunctions and interjections. Now, let us have one small exercise. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks with suitable conjunction. Number 1. Hear the opinions of other men, but form your judgment. Number 2. He was not surpassed either by you or anyone else. Number 3. We have neither heard nor read about that matter. Number 4. She must weep or she will die. Number 5. Give every man thine ear, but few thy voice. Number 6. Patience and perseverance can overcome mountains. Number 7. Neither a borrower nor a lender be. Number 8. My own house as well as yours is built of brick and stone. Number 9. My son is not only idle but in bad health. Number 10. There is nothing either good or bad, but thinking makes it so. Question number 2. Fill in the blanks with interjection. Number 1. Dash, we won the match. Yes, children, what is the answer? Hooray, we won the match. Number 2. Dash, where are you going? And the answer is, hello, where are you going? Number 3. Oh, I got hurt. Number 4. Hush, be quiet now. Number 5. Ah, what a relic.